Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango jelly. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 ripe mangoes, about 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder. Make sure your mangoes are perfectly ripe for that sweet, tropical taste. Also, have a small saucepan, a blender, and your preferred jelly mold ready to go. Next, we'll prepare the mango puree. Carefully peel and chop your ripe mangoes into small pieces. Transfer these pieces to a blender and process until you achieve a perfectly smooth and consistent puree. While that's blending, in a separate small bowl, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder over 1/2 cup of cold water. Stir it briefly and let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. Now let's cook our jelly mixture. In a medium saucepan, combine the mango puree, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Bring this to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove it from the heat, then whisk in your bloomed gelatin until it's completely dissolved. For a silky smooth texture, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Finally, pour it into your molds and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours until set. Once your mango jelly is perfectly set, it's ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled, either on its own or with delightful toppings like fresh mango chunks or a dollop of whipped cream. Any leftover jelly can be stored in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 1 week, maintaining its freshness. Enjoy your delicious homemade mango jelly. And hey, if you're looking for comfort that lasts, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.